Welcome to my channel, Tale of Tales. Today we're going to be seeing facts about animals and birds. Once upon a time, there were a group of children visited zoo. They were amazed by seeing different species of animals and birds. They loved sharing interesting facts about animals and birds with each other, and their imagination knew no bounds. While moving around, they reached Bird's Paradise. While they are progressing, one child questioned an interesting fact about a bird. Do you all know which bird can fly backwards? That's right, hummingbird. Hummingbird is also one of the smallest birds in the world. Another child asked, do you all know which bird can roar like a lion? That's right, ostrich. Ostrich is one of the birds that cannot fly. Other children's eyes widened in excitement. Another child asked, which bird can rotate its head 270 degrees? Owl. Owl is one of the birds that can move their heads nearly all the way around, allowing them to have a 270-degree range of vision without moving their bodies. As they are progressing, they found themselves near domestic animals. Another child asked, do you all know which animal has 4 compartments of stomach? Cow. Actually, all animals have just one stomach. It may be divided into parts that perform different digestive functions. Examples of ruminant animals include cattle, sheep, goats, buffalo, and deer. Another child asked, which animal cannot look up to the sky? That's correct, pig. Pigs are physically incapable of looking up towards the sky from a standing position. However, even pigs can see the sky when laying down, sitting back on their haunches, or otherwise changing their body position. A child actively participated and shared a piece of information about one of the domestic animals. Do you all know which animal can't taste anything that is sweet? Cat. Some meat-eating mammals have lost their ability to taste sweetness in foods, and those that swallow their food whole may lack bitter and savory taste. Thanks for watching, everyone. Enjoy and subscribe to Tale of Tales.